Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, fashion, decor, and more. And I just got something really exciting. I have something I look forward to 4 times a year. This is the Fab Fit Fun, check that out, winter box. Yay. And so I am just going to share with you what I got, and so let's just get to it and see what we got here. First of all, I want to thank you friends for being here. I appreciate your support. You can support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, like button, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. Now, I did something different this time with my boxes, something I've never done. And I went ahead, they had a box that I really liked that was a winter box that was pre-curated. And so I went ahead and bought that in the shop. It is called the Cozy Neutrals box. So I think I'm going to go through both boxes at the same time. And so because I got this box, the Cozy Neutrals, there was there was a couple categories that I got, the things I wanted in the Cozy Neutrals box. So I actually took a couple of credits in my choices, which I've never done, but then I figured those credits could go back towards this box. So anyway, this is it. It's got wow, like wow. So the color wow, and then here's the box. So I'm going to open the other box too. So in the first category, I'm going to actually right now, I'm going to post a picture of all the categories and what the choices were in each category. I'm not going to do it. This is the only one I'm going to post. So if you want to refer back to that, you can. I just don't like to go through all the choices. It's just kind of, I like to keep the video not too long. So anyway, there's that. Now this other one, I'm opening it up right here so I can grab from both. Okay. So in category 1, it's been a long time since I've gotten a blanket, but this one looked like one I really like, and I'm kind of getting sick of some of my older ones, and I like the color, and it fits into the aesthetics of my house. So let's see here. This is just a fluffy, it's the bubble blanket. They call it the bubble blanket. It's by Hythe, Hythe, and there's that. So let's open this thing up. Okay, so they have it. Oh, they have those little things on it. Okay, so it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, this feels so soft. I love it. I love it. They had this color and then also a navy. Oh my gosh, this is my new favorite blanket for winter. I'm so excited. So that was my category 1, and that was the thing I wanted the most this time in category 1, but there was one other thing that I wanted. So in my choices, I chose, intentionally is what it says, I chose the slippers. And I know these are this looks kind of in right now, and you can wear these. These are kind of nice because you can actually, the way they're made, you can wear them out. They've got a really good sole, so you can actually, just run errands or anything you want in these in the winter. So I'm excited about them. So let me put it on. So it's very neutral. They're very neutral. That's why they call it Cozy Neutral. Okay, they fit me absolutely perfect. They feel so soft. They're almost as soft as a blanket. So I am actually really excited about this. So let's see. Here we go. So there's the slippers. Super exciting. So that was my second in category 1. And then in category 2, this is where I took the credit. I got a credit, $14 credit. Okay, there's 2 things I wanted in category 2, and they both happen to be in this warm and cozy neutral box. So one of them was the purse. I just can't turn down purses. I have too many. I didn't need it, but it supposedly has a high value, and so I don't know. Looking at it, I don't know if I love it. But anyway, there's what it looks like. It's actually not it's pretty good size for what you would want, and it's fairly compact. So it has the crossover or the strap. So anyway, there we go. There's that. So I'm happy. It's not bad. I might use it in the winter. It looks like a good winter one, good size. So anyway, that was my third product, and it's from the second category. And then the other thing from the second category is I got the Perricone MD. This is the eyelid lift serum, and I was just curious. It says it really works. You just put it on especially for like older people, and your eyelids start drooping. Everything starts drooping, like really, but your eyelids start drooping. So it's supposed to go on there and make it and firm it out. And so I don't know. Hopefully it will do what it says, but we'll see. But I couldn't pass that up, especially when I could get it so cheap in a box. I mean, this is worth probably more than the whole box was. So I'm excited about that. So there's the second item. And then, okay, so category 3, I got in the box, I did get something from category 3, and that was this was not something I necessarily wanted or needed, but I thought it was really cute. This is the beanie. Oh, it's from your favorite daughter. It's really cozy. So that's what it looks like. I like the color. It is neutral. I don't really want to put over my... Okay, so I have to go down more to make it work and roll this up. But so it looks stupid now. So shouldn't have done that. I have curly hair today. Messed that up. But anyway, so there is that. So that just kind of came extra in the box. Not something I necessarily really wanted. And then what I chose in my box was the Bobbi Brown. I actually was going to take a credit on this category too, but I thought for the credit was only $7, and I definitely, for that price, I would definitely get this Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It says you can use it a different way. You know, it can be a primer, a moisturizer, everything all in one. So that's what it looks like. So anyway, got a Bobbi Brown skincare. And so we're going to category 4 now. In category 4, I got... this is the one that I took credit, and I also didn't get anything in that category. I took credit and I just didn't want anything in that category. So category 5, I got a couple things. Once again, in my box, I think did some category 5 come in my box. I got these socks, the Unhide. I love these socks in the winter. They're just so cozy. I don't really need them. I'm not a good big sock girl, but I do like a cozy sock in the winter. So there they are. So anyway, I got those two. They're in pink and gray. And so that is my category 5 from the neutrals box. And then I chose for my box, I chose this Rosie Jane. This is a Wake Body and Bath Oil, and this kind of excited me. I thought it might be something that I could put in my bath. I don't take baths often, but when I do, it'd be nice to have like a nice oil like that. And then the other thing I got, because I was just last minute, I was really curious about this. This is the Briogeo, and this is a dry shampoo, but it's a puff. It's a powder. So, did they give you a puff? I don't know how it works. I know it's a powder. So let's see how this works. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, it's kind of like, okay, so it's the product kind of the powder comes out here from in here, and you twist it to get the product to come out. I don't know if might take a while to get it to come. Anyway, I'll play with that. But so I guess you just kind of sponge it on your hair. I like dry products, dry shampoo, but I kind of like the idea of the dry product. And sometimes it helps to volumize, which I like too. So anyway, that was my other product for category 5. I'm going to see what else I have in here. And one more thing. I can't remember what this is. Oh, okay. So category 6, this was also in the Cozy Neutral set. This is the conditioning mist. Let me see who this is from. I don't know much about this item. it wasn't, yeah, I don't have the information on it. So it wasn't in my, it wasn't something I necessarily would have picked, but I know I can use it. So it's detangling spray, and it's leave-in conditioner, instant softness, protect from heat. I like that. Revitalize, anyway, AG Care. It's from AG Care. It's a big bottle. It's a big, this will last a long time. So I'm going to try it. It sounds, you know, I use the same old one, so maybe I'll try something new. Anyway, and I'm down to category 6, you guys. And category 6, I just had one item that I picked, and I'm super excited about these. Where are they? You get it open. Okay, so it comes in this little green box. It's real cute. And this is, does it say? Jewels by Sanena Narnia studs in gold. That's what they look like. You guys, I really, really like these. I'm super excited. They don't seem real heavy. I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger than they are, but I really like the size. So, anyway, I already have earrings on, so I'm not going to mess with that today, but, so there we go. See it up close. It's real pretty. So anyway, I'm excited for these. So, I've gotten a jewelry from them and I don't always love it. So these are something I'm definitely going to love and wear. Like I already know. So that's a good thing. So there's that. Anyway, there we go. Okay, so now I did something else, you guys. I just haven't done it in a while, and I thought I need to just get a mystery bag, even though I say I'm never going to get them again, but it's been a while since I've gotten one, and I've seen some pretty good ones lately. So I got a mystery bag, and I don't even know if I want to show it to you. I'm so disappointed because it's one I got like, you know, a year ago maybe or something or more. And it's the same, I think it's the same one, but we'll see. I don't know. I have to look at what's inside it. But anyway, it's these 3 baskets. And I do have these baskets. I think they're pretty ugly, personally. But I am using them. And I do have a closet, a hall closet that I could put stuff in with them. But this is them. I also could use them to put gifts in, you know, but this is, so the biggest one right here, there's 3 sizes, and I don't have it fully out. I'm just going to leave the medium one in here. But there's the big one with the medium, look just a tad smaller. And then this is the small one. Anyway, so there's that. I just don't like stuff with like storage stuff. I like my stuff to be all neutral and uniform. That's just the way I am. So anyway, something dropping on the ground here. I'll have to see what it is. So the second item is jewelry of some kind. Oh, I didn't get this before, and these are really cute. I thought about these at one time. This is the necklace with the 3, okay, salty call. This is what it looks like, and then here's the necklace, and I think they had this in a box, maybe summer, or look how pretty. It's just got little, I don't know if you, right here, if you can just see the little pearls there, and just a really dainty little necklace. So I like that. It'd also make a nice gift, so I'm not sure what I'll do with that exactly, but anyway, so that's not bad. And then the third thing isn't bad because I love the brand. I don't know what it is, but like, see, this is a Mega C body wash, okay, from ALLURE, which I like some ALLURE. I like the ALLURE products. So it's a body, you know, shower gel, I guess, body wash. So let me see, it's probably sealed. Not sure I want to open it yet, But anyway, so yeah, I mean, these two, I think, these two items, I think we're okay. We're pretty good for the mystery. And then these, I could use them, but they're kind of, to me, they're kind of ugly. And I probably wouldn't gift them because I don't like to gift things that I don't really like myself. But I would actually put a gift in it, you know, with some cute, or if I want to package a gift cute, I could do that. So, so there's that. So anyway, that's my mystery bag. And so this is like all my fun stuff I got the body oil, the earrings, the dry shampoo, the spray, the mist, mist heat protectant, conditioner, detangling spray, the socks, the unhide socks, the Bobbi Brown face. I got this cute little purse here that I was on the fence kind of about, but I kind of like it. I don't know. We'll see. And then from Favorite Daughters, the beanie. Not something I necessarily need, so I don't know if I'll keep that either. And then this cozy slippers. Super excited about these. And then my blanket, which is just, you guys, this is fabulous. This right here, this is like fabulous. So, yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think. Do you guys get FabFitFun? What did you get in your box? What do you think about the things I got? And let me know in the comments. Thank you for your support and thanks for being here. I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.